Jammin Sports Cards, we have another break for you guys. Check it out. 2016 Panini Contenders football. We do have a guarantee. One auto or memorabilia per box. This is the blaster box. Run you $19.99 at Target. 40 cards per box. There you have it. This doesn't come out in hobby for another couple of weeks. But I was able to find retail at Target. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be out. I never really know with the retail stuff, but here it is. Gonna get a nice look at it. There's an empty box. So you have 5 packs, and we had 40 cards, so 8 cards per pack. We're also going to be doing the large box, $49.99, but that'll be another video coming up shortly. Just wanted to show you guys that we do have another video of this coming. So here we go. First pack. I'm excited. Good old Contenders. First card, Tony Romo. Will we see him again before the end of the year? Dak didn't look too good last 2 weeks. I don't know. We'll see. Tavon Austin. Melvin Gordon. Golden Tate. Mike Evans. So the base card design is, what you can usually expect from Contenders football. But I am digging the changes they made to this year. It's a pretty good looking card. I like the nice big numbering here. Cool photo. It's pretty sweet. This might be one of my favorites of Contenders in the last couple of years. So, that's cool. Jordan Matthews, Von Miller, and Richard Sherman. So, that pack, no inserts, no rookies, just the 8 base cards. Lamar Miller, Mark Ingram, Odell Beckham Jr. As usual with Contenders, though, they don't actually have like base rookie cards. All the rookie cards are autographed. So I am sure it is the same this year. AJ Green, Matt Ryan, but they usually have quite a few inserts, so it looks like we have our first. There we go. Barry Sanders, legendary. Nice. It's a cool card. Some of you have been asking to see the back of the base cards, so there you go. I got to remember to do that for you. There's the back. Cool design. Nice insert. Pack 3. Varro Bowman. Mike Wallace. Jordy Nelson. Julian Edelman. Sammy Watkins. Jordan Reed. Jamal Charles. And Andrew Luck. 2 packs. Ooh, that one feels like a jersey card. So we'll do this one first. Drew Brees, Eli Manning, Matt Forte, Doug Baldwin, Jeremy Hill, Stephon Diggs, Blake Bortles, and another insert, MVP Contenders, Antonio Brown. I think his teammate, Le'Veon Bell, is definitely an MVP contender this year. Dude is ridiculous. All right, so here we go. Time to see our hit. Todd Gurley, having a really tough year. Marvin Jones, Brock Osweiler, Doug Martin, Matthews, Demaryius Thomas, and the hit, Vikings, rookie ticket, plain old jersey card. Reminds me of last year's from retail boxes. Not bad, not serial numbered. But there you have it. Again, $19.99 at Target is where I found it. Maybe you guys will be able to find it too. Check us out on Twitter at JamminJDCards. Also, check out our website, jamminjdcards.com. Any questions, comments, concerns, you can email us, jamminjdcards@gmail.com. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take it easy.